Hello teachers, my name is Professor Tom, and today I will be giving you 5 reminders on school evacuations. First, remember to gather your Go Kit with class roll and procedures. 2. Remember to exit the building quickly but safely. 3. Make sure to stay calm because students are looking to you for instructions. 4. Remember to follow the instructions given to you from your previous drills or training. 5. Make sure to know and understand your emergency operation plan. Also, remember this goes with any drill or scenario, not just evacuations. Thank you for your time, and remember, be prepared.
Created using Powtoon.